To improve your internet speed on an iPhone with iOS 18, start by trying to refresh your internet connection by turning on flight mode and then turning it back off. This simple step may help speed up your internet by refreshing all your internet data. If that doesn't work, try the following steps. First, disable low data mode by going into your device's settings, clicking on Wi-Fi, and then selecting the info button, which looks like a blue eye. In your Wi-Fi network settings, find the low data mode option and turn it off, making sure it's gray and not green. Next, enable limit IP address tracking by going to Settings, tapping Cellular, and then clicking on Cellular Data Options. In this menu, find the limit IP address tracking option and enable it, ensuring it's turned on and appears green. Another step is to disable background app refresh, which can be done by going to Settings, selecting General, and then turning off background app refresh. It's recommended to turn this feature off completely for optimal results. Additionally, turning off personalized ads and analytics can also help. To do this, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, and scroll down until you find the Analytics and Improvements section. Locate the Share iPhone Analytics setting and turn it off, changing it from green to gray. By following these steps, you should be able to get faster internet on your iPhone with iOS 18.